Do you feel stressed out of what should you post this time? How should I raise my likes and followers? Well, if you stress out and you do things complicated and sophisticated and not you, I've seen on my posts when I'm doing something that is not me and it's done to perfection but not as my passion and as I am, the things are not working out. Whenever you put it out, you put content out that is simple, made with passion, be you, be yourself, and those posts, as simple as they are, they will go up much better than the ones that you really struggle to make and do them perfect. Because please remember this, imperfection is perfection. So be you, be yourself. We shouldn't be perfect, we should be ourselves, because we are beautiful in our way. Good luck!